How to enable display over other apps problem. To do that, you can simply go on the settings of your device. After you go on the settings of your device, you scroll down and see the option of privacy protection. But if you don't find, then you can simply search from the search bar. Simply search for privacy protection. And here is the privacy protection. And after this, what can you do is simply go on the permission section. And after you go on the permission section, you will see all the permissions here and you will see the apps here. So to disable the permission from each app, you can simply go on. For example, I go on the Google Sheets option, and now to allow the contact, I can just tap on allow option. To forbid it, just tap on forbid. But I want to make it allow. So this is how you enable or disable each permissions. So there are other permissions as well, which you can disable simply. But your format might not be the same as my phone. So what you can simply do is type for display over other apps on the search bar and it will be shown on your screen, and then simply enable and disable the permissions that you see on your screen. So yes, this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you. If you liked our video, then please do subscribe to our channel.